Hi friend, let me show you the internet board for you. First, let's look at the whiteboard. With the whiteboard, we can write in, because we can change color. And the eraser, clean all, and also here's some other tool, like ruler. Look at here. And man shape table. Here are all applications. Let's look at the first Google Play. So basically, if you want to install any application you want, you can go to Google Play to install it. YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, etc. There's Microsoft Office. Here is slide. And if you want to make a note in here, it's okay. Now let's look at all this application. Google Meet, Zoom, etc. Now I'm going to show you the camera. Now we use Google Meet. New meeting. Great meet. Look at here.